Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Designer to create stunning AI-generated images in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or just someone who loves creating visuals, this tool is super easy to use. Let's dive in. First things first, let's open Microsoft Designer. Once you're in, you'll notice a clean and intuitive interface. Along the middle, you have your tools, and below, you'll see a workspace where your designs will come to life. To start generating AI images, choose the Images option. This opens up a panel where you can input your creative ideas. Now, the magic happens. In the text box, type in a description of the image you want to create. For example, if you're looking for a futuristic cityscape, type something like, "A futuristic city at sunset with flying cars." The more detailed your prompt, the better the AI can capture your vision. After you've typed your prompt, hit the Generate button. Microsoft Designer will process your request and, in just a few seconds, you'll see multiple AI-generated images based on your description. You can scroll through the options and choose the one that best fits your needs. If you're not completely satisfied, you can tweak your prompt or regenerate the images until you find the perfect one. Once you've selected an image, you can further customize it. Microsoft Designer offers a range of editing tools: resize, crop, add text, or even layer multiple images. The possibilities are endless. Here, I'm adding some text to make this image perfect for a social media post. You can adjust the font, color, and size to match your branding or style. Happy with your creation? It's time to export it. Click on the picture you would like to export. Then click the Download button. Your picture will then be downloaded in JPEG format. And just like that, you've created a professional-looking, AI-generated image in minutes. And there you have it. Creating AI-generated images with Microsoft Designer is that simple. It's a fantastic tool for anyone looking to bring their creative ideas to life quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.